काम करेंगे। कैमरामैन अंकुश के साथ मैं आदित्य कुमार, इंडिया न्यूज, दिल्ली।
Now, viewers, with Rekha Gupta being announced as the Delhi Chief Minister, the decision over the Speaker is still pending. As per the sources to NewsX, which have revealed that Vijendra Gupta is likely to be the Speaker of the House. On that note, in fact, I have my colleague Brian Thomas joining me live on the broadcast. Brian, as far as the decision for the cabinet, the chief ministerial post is concerned, suspense is finally over. But when we talk about the Speaker of the House to be appointed by the BJP, there are still, in fact, names that could be finalized. But in the front runners, Vijendra Gupta, who was also one of the frontrunners for the CM post, is likely to be picked. Brian Thomas joining me live on the broadcast. Brian, what are you picking up as far as the appointment of the Speaker of the House is concerned?
Well, definitely, Simran, as the suspense over the Speaker name is still on a deciding factor that is going to come out today. But yes, as per the party sources also that we are getting to know that Vijendra Gupta, who was the LOP, might be the Vidhan Sabha Speaker as well. Right now also we are outside Rekha Gupta's residence. You can see the celebrations is on full swing. It is going on. And once out, she has spoken to NewsX and India News. Once out, she will also be, visiting Hanuman Mandir. Then post that, she will also be visiting the Yamuna Ghat as well. And very importantly, there has been a list also of 6, names where the ministers will also be coming. You talk about Parvesh Verma, Ashish Sood, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Ravinder Singh Indraj, Kapil Mishra, and Pankaj Kumar Singh also. Their names will also is here for basically for the oath taking ceremonies as the ministers as well. And definitely as the suspense is also been building for the name to be declared. But yes, for now this party source is saying that Vijendra Gupta might be the name of being the Vidhan Sabha Speaker. Simran.
Well, absolutely. In fact, Brian, as I can see that you are at the residence of Rekha Gupta. It is all about the colors that we can see on the visuals today as you are tracking her from outside the residence, a very pivotal point. She is likely to head for the swearing-in ceremony. Brian, show us through the visuals of what you can, in fact, see around you as celebrations are broken out and also people are celebrating. Workers are coming up, supporters of Rekha Gupta, from a student leader to now propelled to the CM post. This is a long journey indeed for a political leader to have risen the ranks. Brian, show us through the visuals of what you're tracking from outside the residence of Rekha Gupta.
Well, Simran, definitely, from being a DUSU president to being now the CM, Chief Minister of the National Capital, you can see that the celebrations are going on, the bands being played, the people who are celebrating, they're dancing, there's a joyous mood you can see that is happening. And there are many people, sir, आपसे जानने का कोशिश करेंगे कि रेखा गुप्ता CM बन गई है, कैसे देखते हैं आप?
दिल्ली का विकास शुरू होगा, गरीब, अन्नदाता, युवा, नारी सबको काम मिलेगा। जहां पर पानी की समस्या है, सड़कों की समस्याएं हैं, जितने सारे भ्रष्टाचार हुए हैं, पहली CAG रिपोर्ट के अंदर सारे सामने आएंगे और एक एक करके जिन लोगों ने भ्रष्टाचार किया है वो वापस जेल जाएंगे और दिल्ली का एक विकसित विकास होगा जिसकी आज दिल्ली को जरूरत है। जो ट्रैफिक जाम की समस्या है, पोल्यूशन की समस्या, पर्यावरण की समस्या, वो सारी समस्या समाप्त होगी और जो संकल्प मोदी जी ने लिए हैं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने लिए हैं, वो सारे पूरे होंगे।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए। You can see viewers, people are dancing, they are rejoicing. You can see the bands also being played, and people are all, in that festive mood. You can see colors going on. You can see all kinds of people here as well who are, celebrating the success of Delhi Chief Minister. The oath ceremony will also be taking place in a while now. Rekha Gupta जी CM बन गई है, कैसे देखते हैं आप?
रेखा गुप्ता जी भारी मतों से जीती है, हम बहुत खुश हैं, बहुत खुश हैं और हमारे शालीमार बाग और पूरे विधानसभा में बहुत खुशी की लहर है और हमारे पूरे दिल्ली का विकास होगा। अब तक शालीमार बाग का विकास हो रहा था, अब पूरे दिल्ली का विकास होगा और एक तरफा विकास होगा। हम अपने शेष नेतृत्व को धन्यवाद करते हैं।
सर, आपसे भी पूछने का कोशिश करेंगे, रेखा गुप्ता कैसे देखते हैं आप?
इनके CM बनने पे हम सारे खुशी मना रहे हैं। शालीमार बाग का जन जन खुश है, दिल्ली का हर कार्यकर्ता खुश है। आज दिल्ली में बहन रेखा गुप्ता सीएम बनकर शपथ लेने जा रही हैं। हर आदमी खुश है, वो काम करने वाली नेता है, वो काम करके दिखाएंगी, दिल्ली को चमकाएंगी। मोदी की गारंटी को निभाना है, दिल्ली को चमकाना है। बहन रेखा गुप्ता जिंदाबाद, मोदी जिंदाबाद।
Well, viewers, you can see the colors as well. You can see here also, in a while, Rekha Gupta will be leaving will be going to Hanuman Mandir, to offer her prayers, and post that she will also be visiting the Yamuna Ghat as well. You can see visuals of, her house. You can see the family members. This is the entire apartment that she lives in, and, you can see the families are here. They are outside the balconies. And it's a building that, they are all waiting, people are waiting, and there, the security has also been heightened when she will be leaving from this very place, that is Shalimar Bagh, and then she will be going to Hanuman Mandir, and then she will be, paying her tribute, offering prayers, and then she will be visiting the Yamuna Ghat. Also, let me again show you the visuals, also the colorful visuals of this, of the celebrations going on outside her very residence as well. And, just a while, there have been the anticipation of her leaving also and going to, Hanuman Mandir. So, people are waiting, eagerly for her to come out. So, just in a while now, in a moment, she will be leaving and she will be going to Hanuman Mandir. Simran.